All right, good morning, people. It is currently January 27th, Monday. We're looking at gold, and yeah, it's currently 9:26, waiting for market open. Gold has just been dropping very, very steadily. I'm seeing some very good structure right here, and yeah, it's about to hit this zone just down here. This major kind of low we got going on here. What the? But yeah, we got this down here. So we're gonna see how it reacts to this. Well, now that we've dropped below that, we can hop into play if it goes above this zone now. Breaks up. Alright. 25. Taking that buy. Got a displacement here. It's now breaking above the area of rejection. Yeah, you can see if it can keep pushing up. And it's not pushing up. Oh, it's losing volume. Okay, it's losing volume. Damn. I'm actually shocked. Oh man. Okay, so we got hit out. I guess I was wrong. My zone wasn't perfectly marked. I guess if it fails to make a new low now and then we get a strong push up, that would be a trend change. But yeah, I guess this zone wasn't good enough. All right. Well, now the count is, oh my god. What? How did we fall so low? Bro, how did we fall so low? All right, we'll try it again. $15.25. Bro, what's up with this thing? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Dude, just what the fuck? Oh my god, what? Like, what's going on? I have to find something else, bro. This is. So my account got blown again. What? My account just got. Bro, I don't understand what's happening. So I hopped in the buy. Well, restarting. We're back at 50K for the trillionth time. This thing wants me to lose so badly, so I'm going to go to a 1. We're going to a 1 lot size. We're making it small. It's just getting so annoying. Silver was moving way better. Because it was just, I was just taking a short-term buy. And it was valid. I guess I was late. That was my issue, actually. I was late. That was my mistake. Oh my goodness. How did I miss the setup? It's because I was hopping in late, bro. It wasn't even marked properly. I'll have to watch the video back. Either way, bro. This is so annoying. I almost like, bro, holy. Sometimes it feels like I'm gonna never get out of this, bro. Like, real talk. Sometimes it feels like I'm gonna never get out of this. My entry was just one candle too late, and I paid the price. That's the reality of a scalper, man. When you're scalping one candle, like literally, if I hopped in any of these two, I would have been alright. But it's because I hopped in up here that I lost. And then hit this zone, respected it, came down, came up, didn't go up much higher, so clearly we're losing buy volume. And then it broke down through the same zone. It's the same line. It broke down on the downside. See how it came through this line and it dropped through this line? This is what we're trading. We're trading that movement, the displacement, the change of trend. Came up, broke that sell trend for a little bit, take a quick scalp out the pullback. Bam, could have went for 40 ticks if I was in the right entry. and then on this side, bam, drops through it, continuing this downtrend. Nice volume, nice momentum. Drops down for 69 ticks, just like that, so quick. I feel like we missed our trades today. Like, before every trading session, I need to have a back testing session. No, but like, real talk. Once you're already in the wrong side of the market, once you're already in the wrong way of thinking, you're kind of screwed. Because then you just start seeing things differently. Like, when you lose and you don't actually truly understand why you lost, you're pretty screwed. Like, the market will punish you for that, for not understanding why you lost. Because earlier I was thinking, oh, there's a lot of manipulation. The market's just coming back and hitting me out or whatever. And I'm like, yeah, like, usually I don't see these double candles out of nowhere. That was weird. I won't even lie. These doji candles just popping in like that. What the hell? But either way, if I had just entered on a candle earlier, I would have been just good. And that aligned with my setup as well. So it's because I was late. That's why I lost that trade. I was just thinking the market was becoming choppy, which it kind of was. Like, we got more doji candles as we went. Yeah, I need to do some type of mental exercise before hopping into this. Like, truly, like, I'm so dead serious. I'm recording this because I can watch it back. But I need to really, like, lock in. Like, my eyes need to be able to recognize these things. I need to train my eyes to see this, you know? To see it faster, to see it when it's happening. So I need to hop in, like, maybe, like, 20 minutes before the session at 9:10. And we'll just talk about, like, the setups we're looking for. Really just put it in my mind, you know? And then like, I wouldn't have even hopped in that second trade if I was already in this one. One small move completely screws you up. It's so crazy. The count wouldn't have been blown if I hopped in that one candle. That's crazy. Because I wouldn't have needed to hop in the second trade because I would have been in the move from here. It's crazy how delicate this is, man. The smallest mistake and you get bodied. The precision of a scalper, man, it is hard work. This is not easy. No one can tell you this shit's easy, bro. This shit is not easy. It's not easy. I won't lie, this shit is difficult as fuck. There's nothing easy about it. Anyone saying it's easy is lying. Nothing easy about this. This is probably one of the most difficult things you can do because it requires mental discipline, mental consistency. I guess discipline is consistency, but you have to be consistent, disciplined, observant, decisive. Have to be able to, you see your setup, no thinking, no doubting, hop in, hop in, hop in. You see your setup, hop in. You see your setup, hop in. And like, decisiveness is not my issue. My issue is the observant. I need to be more observant, a little bit more observant of the charts because I'm missing moves. I'm just missing moves. I'm entering at the wrong spot. I'm missing moves, literally. And it's like I'm right next to the move, but I'm just missing it. I need that precision, that precision in my observation. Because when it comes to hopping in, I'm never scared to hop in a trade. I just hop in, bro. But then hopping out, that was also an issue I had. But with this new setup, like, it's been proven to work. So now hopping out's not an issue. Because, like, look here. If I hopped in on the right candle, that was potentially 40 ticks, but I only go for 25. Hopped in on the right candle here, that's another 40. Like, with the same 15 tick stop loss, so I don't need to change any of that. It's really what I need to change is just my observation, my ability to recognize the shifts and patterns and recognize my setups. I need to train my mind to just instantly see my setups. Because missing two plays like this, like, it's kind of just like disheartening because you're like, okay, I have a strategy and I'm still failing to even execute that strategy. It's like you could have all the pieces right there and still fail. It's such a weird feeling. Like, I'm kind of tired of getting frustrated, you know? I'm just like, it is what it is. It's like, I just got to really lock in. There's only so much more frustration I can have, you know? Especially when it's just like, I see what I need to do. If I didn't see where it went wrong, yeah, I'd probably be a lot more frustrated. Because I'd be like, what's going on? And that's a lot of traders. If you're not, see, and then there's another level of trading. If you're not even able to recognize properly why you lost, it's very, it's just not fun, man. I can't even lie. This stuff is not fun. It's brutal, 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 brutal. But it's like once you get it and you get into that flow of recognizing the charts, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. I'm gonna show y'all. When you just truly understand what you're watching and what you're looking at, it's a different vibe. Yeah, you just gotta take it seriously, I guess. Like, I'm taking it seriously, but even more seriously. Like, you really gotta watch your mental. Make sure that your mind's prepared to recognize what you need to recognize in order to make the money you need to make. Make sure your mind's prepared to accept defeat if your setup fails. Make sure your mind is ready to walk away from the charts if you feel you're getting too heated. All these things you have to make sure your mind's ready to do before you even step on the chart. Don't get too caught up in the wins. Don't get too caught up in the lows. You just gotta come back tomorrow and do the same thing again if you win. And if you lose, you gotta come back tomorrow and fix up what you did today. Make sure you're fixing it up. Make sure you're making those changes. So today, really what it was is my markups maybe weren't the most accurate, or honestly, it was just the precision of the move. But still, I should have just saw the bigger picture instead of looking in the box. Either way, I'm gonna get it, bro. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I need to make a system. Yeah. Alright. Maybe I'll even record it so I can hold myself accountable. Yeah, every morning, you know what? I want to actually get this, like, proper. So I'm going to create a system. Every morning, maybe like at 9 o'clock, we're going to go through my strat. And we're just going to train. Listen, y'all can follow along. We're just going to train our eyes, or train my eyes, to instantly recognize my setups. The displacements, the continuation of trends, the breakouts after being retested. We want to see it all. We want it all to be instantly recognizable. Instantly recognizable. Simple process. Look, like this. Like, it's always hindsight 2020 with this trading stuff. That's what always makes you come back, because you're like, you always get it after you review your play. But it's like, you got to be able to perform in the game, you know? You got to be able to perform when you really got to perform. But yeah, downtrend. We were on a downtrend, right? All right, downtrend. We broke below here, so we're down here. I want to see it respect this zone. Breaks above this zone, hop in, opposite direction. 15, 25. One play. All right, uptrend, right? We're on an uptrend. Uptrend. We're building up. It's coming down. Nice. It's respecting this zone. It's pushing up. Oh, it failed to make a new high. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, drop. We're consolidating. Okay, maybe it'll still go up. Nope. Strong volume sell candle. That tells me it's still selling. 15, or we go for 2040 because this is a big candle, high volume. 2040 hits. That's the strat. That's the flow. That's what it is. It's not that difficult. Y'all seen the strategy. Y'all can implement this yourself. If you can perform it better than me, please go ahead and do it. But it's very simple. What's it doing? Downtrend. Okay. if it's going to keep going in a downtrend, I want to see it respect this level. Okay, it didn't respect that level. It had a strong push in the opposite direction. Okay, so maybe this is displacement. I'm going to go for a scalp. 15.25. Okay, we're on a downtrend. Ooh, okay, if it's going to keep, or we're on an uptrend. Oh, if it's going to keep going up, I want to see it respect this support zone. Okay, it didn't respect that support zone. It's breaking down below it. Oh, okay. I could take a scalp to the sell side. Scalp 2040 because we're already below the VWAP. Sell volume's already very heavy overall on the higher time frames. 2040, higher volume play. Bam, you get 2040. Oh, we're in a consolidation zone. Okay, it's breaking out. Okay, it broke out of the consolidation zone. I don't want to hop in on the first candle of the breakout because I don't know if that's a real breakout. I want to see it retest the outside of the zone. Okay, so then it breaks out. We're in the zone, right? It breaks out. Bam. Okay, now it's falling back down. It's retesting the zone. Okay, it's consolidating a bit, but it's not breaking below. Oh, it's going back up. Oh, I want to hop in that because that's a respect to the zone. So we're going to go for new highs. Bam, you hop in that. You go for new highs. You make your money. Point blank, simple. I know what I'm doing. It's just a matter of locking it in, bro. Locking it in. And maybe that's what I need to do before every session. Maybe I just got to say it like that. All right, guys, we're on a downtrend. We have this zone right here. Breaks above this, we hop in. There's no question, we hop in. All right, guys, we're on the uptrend. Breaks below this, we hop in. Respects this, we hop in. Super simple. Breaks, hop in. Respect, hop in. Well, unless it's consolidation zone, we only hop in if it respects. But like it's hard, but you can make it simple for yourself. You really can make it simple for yourself. This is one of those things where it's like, don't overcomplicate it, you know? A lot of people overcomplicate it, but it's not that complicated, you know? Yeah, you do get punished for small mistakes. That's still a fact. So that's why it's kind of like it's easy and hard at the same time because if you can't maintain your sharpness of mind, you will be punished. You will be punished. But just like anything else, you maintain that for a extended period of time, and that just becomes a habit. Y'all seen the strategy. Y'all can copy it. Y'all can do whatever you want. Make your money, man. Y'all seen the strategy. It works. It's the trader. It's not the strategy. 90% of the time, it is not the freaking technical analysis. That's not the issue. It's none of that. It's the trader. It's you. Always you. But either way, man, it's only a matter of time. This chart can only stop me from winning for so long. Like I said, we're going to implement it before every session. I will have a little segment. Videos are going to be a little bit longer, I guess. But, like, we're just going to go through it. Y'all can grab your notebooks. We're all going to go through it, bro. We're getting this goddamn money. We're going to go through it. We're going to go through the setups. We're going to go through the trends. And we're going to see it all. And we going to be ballers. That's it. We going to be ballers. That's going to be the new thing, bro. We going to be ballers. That's it, bro. Guys, the strategy is so simple. It's so easy. I could probably find another setup if I stayed on the charts, but this is a punishment for blowing another account. Grab some notebooks. Follow the strategy because you guys are going to see it. You guys are going to see it. I'm going to make this money. And so will you if you just follow what I'm doing, bro. Well, not what I'm doing, but if you follow the strategy. If y'all see the strategy, if y'all understand the strategy that I'm implementing right now, if y'all can understand it, grab your notebook, write down whatever way you see the strategy that works for you mentally. If it's, when it's trending, wait for this, whatever. But either way, I'll make like an official strategy book once I prove that I can properly implement it. But either way, that's it, man. That's it. Y'all are going to see the rise from here, man. I'm going to say it right now. I'm going to let y'all know right now. I'm going to say it right now. Today, I'm so serious. Today, y'all going to see me on camera. Is the last time I will ever blow the Top Step Combine account. All right? Clip it, screenshot it, screen record it. Today, It's the last time I ever blow the Top Step Combine account. It's done. It's only up from here. It's only up from here. I promise you. I promise you. Pre-market breakdown. Before the market open, we gonna be checking out the charts and we gonna be looking for the strategies. Train the mind. Train the mind to recognize it. Number 2, we gonna have some affirmations. You know what? I'm gonna read it out on camera. Every morning before we even look at the charts, affirmations that say, I acknowledge that winning and losing is a part of trading. I acknowledge that there may be no setups in the market and I will walk away. I acknowledge that I can take one win and walk away from the market. I acknowledge that I will not over leverage my account. I acknowledge that trading is something that has its ups and downs and it's unpredictable. You might not be able to predict the market. We're never going to be perfectly in sync with what the market's going to do. I acknowledge all of that. And I still say right now, this is the account. This is the account. This is the account where I pass the challenge.